Welcome back to the channel. Rocket, today, I've got something super exciting for you. 10 of the coolest, most unique gadgets you've probably never seen before. From next-level speakers and phone accessories to mind-blowing tech that makes life easier, these are must-haves you'll definitely want to check out.
Let's jump right in. Number 10.
NFC DIY Ink Case. Ever wished you could change your phone's look instantly? The NFC DIY Picture Ink Phone Case for iPhone makes it a reality. Just tap your phone and update the ink display with any cartoon image, design, or personal artwork. The protective cover keeps your phone safe from scratches and drops, while the e-ink screen gives you a stylish, personalized look every time. Whether you want to match your outfit, show off your mood, or simply stand out from the crowd, this case makes customization effortless. Express your creativity every single day without ever needing to buy another case again.
Number 9. Alumu 4-in-1 Magstand.
The Alumu G054 4-in-1 magnetic phone stand grip is more than just a phone accessory, it's a versatile daily companion. MagSafe compatible for instant attachment, it doubles as a phone grip and a 360 degrees adjustable kickstand. Whether you're streaming movies, video calling, or multitasking, it keeps your phone secure and hands-free. Its removable design adds convenience, and the built-in opener makes it even more practical on the go. Lightweight yet durable, this compact tool is perfect for both work and leisure. With its multifunctional design, it eliminates the need for multiple accessories.
Number 8. M.2 SSD Enclosure.
Introducing the Charge Disc, a revolutionary portable SSD enclosure designed for today's fast-moving lifestyle. Built with a durable silicone case, this compact device provides reliable protection for your storage. Equipped with a versatile Type-C port, it connects effortlessly to laptops, phones, tablets, and more. The included lanyard doubles as a data cable, making it travel-ready and hassle-free. Its active heat dissipation system ensures stable performance even during heavy data transfers, while lightning-fast speeds eliminate lag and wait times. Whether you're editing videos, transferring large files, or just need extra portable storage, the Charge Disc delivers. With high capacity, durable build, and top-notch performance, it's the future of on-the-go data management in your pocket.
Number 7.
Joyroom Wireless Charger for Watch. Stay powered up on the go with the Joyroom Portable Wireless Charger designed for Apple Watch. Featuring a 2000 mAh built-in battery, this compact charger offers seamless wireless charging anywhere, anytime. Its strong magnetic design ensures your watch locks into place without worry. A smart digital display keeps you informed of remaining power, so you'll never be caught off guard. Perfectly pocket-sized, it easily slips into a bag, purse, or even your pocket, making it an essential travel companion. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just going through your day, this charger ensures your Apple Watch is always ready. Lightweight, reliable, and convenient, the Joyroom charger keeps your smartwatch powered and your lifestyle uninterrupted. Number 6. AnkerWork Wireless Charger. The AnkerWork is a complete game-changer for both work and entertainment. It's not just a Bluetooth speaker, it's an advanced AI-driven speakerphone with noise cancellation for crystal-clear calls. The 360-degree sound system delivers immersive audio whether you're on a Zoom meeting, streaming music, or catching a podcast. But that's not all. The S600 also features a 70-degree adjustable magnetic phone stand and supports Qi 215W fast wireless charging. It even packs a 16-hour battery life, making it the perfect all-in-one solution for collaboration and relaxation. Sleek, portable, and multifunctional, it upgrades your workspace while doubling as a personal entertainment hub. The AnkerWork S600 is the smart companion you didn't know you needed.
Number 5.
Magnetic Neck Mount. The Telesin Magnetic Quick Release Neck Mount makes capturing immersive POV shots easier than ever. Using ultra-strong neodymium magnets, it locks your phone securely for drop-proof shooting, while the air-cushioned base absorbs shocks to keep footage smooth. Built with a triple-layer structure, stainless steel gooseneck, aluminum frame, and soft silicone exterior, it's designed for both comfort and durability. Easily rotate between portrait, landscape, overhead, or low-angle modes with its stable damping pivot. The one-button quick release keeps shooting hassle-free, while its minimalist design ensures portability. Whether you're vlogging, traveling, or filming adventures hands-free, this mount gives you total creative freedom with professional stability and comfort.
Number 4.
Kamoto Midnight 60 Soundbar. Ready to take your rides to the next level? The Kamoto Midnight 60 is a 26-inch UTV soundbar built tough with a waterproof IP66 rating and durable metal body. It delivers booming sound with 65 Hz deep bass, making your off-road adventures unforgettable. Control vibrant multicolor LED lights via its dedicated app to match your mood or party vibe. Bluetooth connectivity makes streaming seamless from any device, whether you're on UTVs, ATVs, golf carts, or even boats. Adjustable mounts make installation quick and secure, so you're always ready for the ride. Whether it's trail rides, camping trips, or beach outings, the Kamoto soundbar ensures your adventures come alive with music and style. Number 3. Transparent Bluetooth Mini Speaker. Looking for big sound in a small package? The wireless Bluetooth mini speaker combines compact size with rich stereo audio for an impressive listening experience. Its vibrant LED lights sync with your music, adding a splash of color and energy to any setting. Pair 2 speakers together for immersive TWS surround sound that fills the room. Built with water-resistant design, it's perfect for outdoor use, whether it's beach days, camping trips, parties, or even singing in the shower. Lightweight and portable, it slips easily into a bag or pocket. For entertainment on the go, this mini speaker is the ultimate mix of portability, sound quality, and visual fun. Number 2. Vizen Extendable Selfie Stand. Content creators will love the Vizen Extendable Selfie Phone Stand V10, a versatile all-in-one tool for photography and video. Its 360 degrees rotating mount allows seamless adjustments from overhead to eye-level angles, perfect for tutorials, unboxings, or live streams. A foldable, lightweight design makes it travel-friendly, while its rechargeable battery adds wireless convenience. The built-in LED ring light offers 5 brightness levels and 3 color modes, ensuring ideal lighting for selfies, streaming, YouTube, or TikTok. Whether you're shooting at home, outdoors, or on the go, the V10 provides stability, flexibility, and professional quality illumination. It's the perfect companion for anyone serious about taking content creation to the next level. Number 1. Bazooka Party Bar Mini. Turn any gathering into a party with the Bazooka Party Bar Mini. Built tough with an IP66 waterproof rating, it's designed for both indoor and outdoor fun. Packed with 6 marine-grade drivers, it delivers powerful, clear audio wherever you go. Vivid RGB lights bring an exciting party atmosphere, and with up to 70 hours of battery life, the music doesn't stop. The Party Sync button allows instant pairing with other compatible speakers for a massive sound experience. Whether it's at the beach, a backyard barbecue, or a camping trip, this portable powerhouse keeps the energy alive. For long-lasting, party-ready sound, the Party Bar Mini is unbeatable. And that wraps up today's list of amazing gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments below, I'd love to know. Raising hands if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they don't miss out on these awesome finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.